it's Sharon from Ponderosa Garden Adventures. I'm out here today in my back garden, and I wanted to give you the June garden tour on the last day of June. Seems to be our pattern for this season. And I wanted to show you, before we head into those months of triple digits, what the garden looks like now. Everything is looking really great. We're still working on some areas of the garden, of course. There's still some cleanup to do, but I wanted to show you what everything looks like. So here is a full pan shot of the entire area, and then we'll take a stroll through the garden. And here are our Hawaiian punch hibiscus. I moved them to save them from the bunnies who were snacking on them. Here we have some lavender that I started from seed, and our plumerias, which are really enjoying this new spot I've slotted them into, and some zonal geraniums. And here in Kumei, we have a video where we cleaned this out. We've got some African daisies to plant in here and a pugster on the other side, you'll see. This whole bed here needed a rework because of gopher damage, so we're just really rebuilding it. And here you can see the arbor we just put in, the grape arbor, and this is the entrance to Tuscany, our dining area. This is one of my favorite plants we've added. This is a Rose of Sharon Monterey variety, and it's just a stunner. And this is our 5 variety apple tree, and it's just been loaded this season. You can see here, I'll get a little closer and you can see all the apples we have, and we've already harvested so many. And here's another look at our plumeria, and I have some stock here. And I have some cuttings that I've propagated from our Mexican sage that we have on the other side of the yard, and they're doing well. And then we have the dianthus that I rescued from Windsor. I have a short showing how it looked like it was dead, and I trimmed it, and it's doing great. And I'm excited to show you our grape arbor. If you want to know how we put in this cattle panel and grape arbor, I will link the video below. And down this walkway in our secret garden, we have blueberries and raspberries, a gardenia, and our pineapple grove, where we have a pineapple growing. So exciting. And this archway, this is Paradiso, which is kind of on hold until we get the greenhouse up and going. But you can see we've got our arbor here in the back where we grow green beans and pumpkins. And this is our remaining avocado tree. It's struggled, but it's coming back strong, so we're very hopeful that it's going to give us fruit one day. And over here along our north fence, we took out our 2x2 planter and we just moved it over across the yard by Kilauea, and I just like it so much better there. And here in our wine barrel, I've put in white Gara, and I just love it. And I think I might do the same in the other wine barrel. So we'll be moving this other 2x2 planter as well. And then this is my potager garden we call Provence, and I grow cucumbers and lettuce and peppers and flowers and all the things. This is our fire pit area that we call Kilauea, and we have mostly succulents and tropical things in here, and a few roses. You can see a few of the iris transplants we did last year, and then our star right here is the blue chiffon rose of Sharon, which I thought was dead. It was drowning, and it's come back, and it's gorgeous. This year has really been a year of transition in this garden, and this is my perennial garden that I'm just beginning to rework here. Well, thanks for coming along with me today on our garden tour in the backyard. I hope you enjoyed that. It'll be really interesting to see how things are coming along in the July and August time frame. We hit those triple digits, and it really can take a toll on the garden. But if we use those water-wise tips that I've given in some of the other videos, it really does help. So I hope you'll follow those as well. If you haven't checked out some of our other videos, check out our library. We've got playlists out there of other garden tours, so you can compare and see how the gardens come along this season or even previous seasons. So, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime we post a new video. Give us a thumbs up if you like this one, and I hope you'll tell us in the comments, are you taking pictures of your garden? Are you keeping track of what's going on so that you can see your progress? It really is encouraging, and I really do encourage you to do that. So thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time. Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Bye, guys.